What would you say if I will tell you that in case of some robbery or intrusion, the first thing the crime will destroy is your CCTV system, because it's the evidences. So basically your recordings and your CCTV system might be destroyed, and you will lose all your recordings and everything that you was investing the money in that. So what to do? Partizan Security and 5 minutes to explain. Today we will talk about the Partizan Cloud and why it's the essential part of any CCTV system. Doesn't matter if it's small house or if it's a big premises or a big factory. So what is the cloud? Cloud is kind of a mount of remote servers which is located in different parts of the world and where someone can place his data, his photos, videos and whatsoever. So sometimes it's free in some amount, sometimes it's paid. So it depends on what kind of information you are storing there and what amount of those information. And of course how easy it is to get this information out of that. In Partizan Cloud we have our own cloud platform. So it means we're not based on the Amazon, Google or some other platforms. We have our own cloud platform and we're just having our own cloud service. All our users can enjoy our cloud platform and it has a couple of huge advantages. Advantage number one, all your recordings will be 100% safe, because if you have your recorder, NVR or DVR or just a camera with an SD card in your premises, it means in your house, in your office, in your shop or building or factory or whatsoever, it means this local playback and the local storage is always have a low level of redundancy. So it means it could be something wrong with that, someone can delete something, some robbers can get it out of there, and basically it could be a million of things happen with that, which will obviously lead to missing of the playback and all your storage. So basically you will lose all your money which was invested in the CCTV, because without the recordings it gives you nothing. In Partizan Cloud you can keep all your data safe, because first of all every single playback moment will be recorded into several servers, which can bring you a huge redundancy, because if anything will be happening the wrong way, so it means one server of our cloud servers will be dying, so you will still get your recordings out of other one. And of course any crime guy won't be able to reach those cloud servers, because they are on the Partizan side, they are redundant, they are safe, and it's under the GDPR, because we keep all our data inside the European Union. Advantage number two, using our cloud service it's quite easy to get your storage. So it's not something similar to the Dropbox or Google Disk or something like that, where you have to load some heavy files, then load them back to your PC or to your mobile and everything like that. So basically you will not see any single difference once you are using the playback from your local device or when you are using the playback from the cloud system in Partizan app. So it's so much easy and so much seamless. So you just touch the cloud there and you are ready to go. Advantage number three, together with the cloud storage you will get some additional things and additional candies from the Partizan. So we think about you and we want to give you a bit more. So in this case you will have from our side really convenient playback, convenient switching between the local playback and the cloud playback, you will get the push notification to your phone, you will get the special thumbnail playback, which is quite easy, quite nice and very efficient in case if you are watching some events or some movement detection. And finally, you will be able to set up the smart alarms and even to connect to some third-party apps or monitoring station. And the last but not the least, of course, our cloud storage is cost not a fortune. So basically you can compare this storage with the price for the Google or for the Microsoft Cloud or for the Dropbox if you like. But here you will get so much more convenient things. It will be so seamless, it will be so easy. So I would definitely recommend to use Partizan Cloud for literally every single customer. Either you're a new customer of Partizan or your existing customer. Even if you have some third-party equipment, which is not Partizan brand, it's still fine. We can get you to our cloud, but with some special things and tricks. So you can just reach out our technical support and they can help you. That was Partizansecurity and 5 minutes to explain. Today I explain you why you really need this Partizan Cloud. Because without the redundancy and without some double playback to our cloud and at local side, you will have a huge chance to lose all your data. If you will rely on some local playback, it could be stolen, it could be damaged, and could be destroyed or deleted by someone. So don't rely on your destiny. Just use some existing methods of securing to the 100%. So security should be secure. All the CCTV system should be redundant and with the cloud playback storage.